all graduating with disciplines that are very much needed by society. We have equipped you with the knowledge and skills that make you employable or able to create your own businesses and employ others. Avoid diseases, especially corruption.
I am delighted to congratulate all of you who have successfully fulfilled the requirements for graduation today.
Your time at Makerere University has been an opportunity to lay a firm foundation to the profession so that you can continue to shine and to be more productive in years to come.
Nebaza Katonda kubanga maze okuwangula diguli yange mu by'okusomesa obw'obusuubuzi. Nebaza Mukama ku lw'abazadde bange olw'okumpeerera nze okutuuka wano abadde Katonda.
Sitale negenda kuyamba nnyo okureducinga nnyo expenditure government gy'ebadde ekola mu kusaasaanya ensimbi mu bantu abayina obulemu ku bwongo.
Ngenda kwongera amaanyi ku research akolebwa mu Uganda. Ndabe nti no decision makers get the right information to make the right decision.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.